So tonight, healthcare options in critical condition for some folks in the Midlands. Several community health clinics are set to close next month, and it could leave some with limited access to the help that they need. Our Bralise Pimentel following that story. What's the latest here?
5 cooperative health clinics are closing on August 22nd. Community advocates say this is the beginning of a tsunami. Many will lose their jobs, and people with limited resources will face a challenge.
What they don't realize is that they're not just cutting benefits from people, they're cutting livelihoods from people as well.
That's Sue Berkowitz of South Carolina Appleseed Legal Justice responding to the shutdown of Cooperative Health clinics. According to Cooperative Health, 5 clinics will be closing in August and have to merge with main locations due to budget cuts. 64 people will lose their jobs at Lake Monticello and Ridgeway, Eau Claire Podiatry Office, Batesburg, Leesville, and Brooklyn Casey Medical Practice moving to a newer facility.
And that's revenue that are, especially in our rural counties, our poorer counties, they cannot afford to lose these jobs. And what we're going to end up seeing are families who are going to be they may be losing their health care themselves. They may also, they're going to be losing income.
Berkowitz says some people will struggle to find transportation to the newly merged health centers.
You may have to ask a neighbor who maybe doesn't have any more than you do, and you're going to have to figure out, okay, how do I come up with the gas money so I can pay my neighbor, so I can get to the medical clinic that is 10 miles away versus the medical clinic that was 2 miles away.
Full-time employees at Cooperative Health will be on the job until September 12th, but South Carolina Appleseed says their next steps are the concern.
And I understand for the providers, I understand for the health clinics, they've got to figure ways to keep themselves afloat. But ultimately, I think what our policymakers, they've been penny wise and dollar foolish when they're looking at the cuts that they've been making.
Cooperative Health's main Eau Claire campus and their 5 Points location will remain open as part of the mergers. South Carolina Appleseed Legal Justice says these issues will start to be seen outside of lower income communities if policies don't change. In Columbia, I'm Bralise Pimentel, Watch Fox News, Local First.